So we came up to got the truck all lettered up, by the way, and we are up to Harbor Freight Tools. So we came up to grab some stuff today, and Advanced Auto Parts. It's right next to it. When we pulled in, we saw this Monster Jam thing. Let's go check it out. Sign up for some stuff, play videos. It's all right here in Irondequoit, New York. Came up to Rochester. Check out this barbecue pit. This is awesome. What are we cooking today?
Cat.
Can we get a look inside your pit?
Absolutely. Ready?
This is the coolest pit I think we've ever seen. This is awesome. That is one cool pit.
Oh, fire.
Hey, so it happens to the best of the motors sometimes. I've got some good videos of motors blowing up. I even got a place where you can come over and play with little monster trucks today. Check this out. Talked to this guy earlier, gave us permission to come over and get a video. Thanks, man, appreciate it. Said he's gonna check out our videos later. This is great. Gotta love it. This is a great little thing they got set up here. This is awesome. Let's go walk over to the other side. They had the music playing earlier when we started the video. We're gonna walk around and get another shot of everything because I can't post the music. It's copyright music they're playing. So I can't turn it down for us. It's awesome. They got it all set up where you can come up here and play their games and stuff. A couple controllers. Come over here, register online. Everything's free here today. Food, you name it. I want one of them shirts. There's Ida hiding over there. Where are you guys going after here? You guys set up all over the place?
Yeah, we're in, I think, somewhere else on Ridge Road. I think it's in Greece.
In Greece? So, somebody wanted to come to this, they'd find you in Greece somewhere maybe tomorrow?
Yeah.
So, is it on a website or something? They can find out where you guys are at or something?
Yeah, just ask them where we're at tomorrow.
Cool.
We're at 4 places while we're here in Rochester.
Oh, really? Great. I can get this video up tonight so people would hopefully, you know, come see it. So I talked to them, if you guys want to come check out, these guys are going to be at 4 locations. Go to this website. They're going to be here in Rochester, New York. and then maybe you guys can come check them out. Like I say, everything's free here today. Register, play with the cars, and look for Advanced Auto Parts, and all the stuff that's on here. I'm sure you'll find them. So if you live locally, you can come check out these guys, get some free food, eat off them their motor grill, and have a great time here. Do a little shopping, flip their trucks.